Magandang buhay po sa lahat. Welcome back po dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko sa inyo on how to prove theorems regarding the central angles, inscribed angles, and arcs of a given circle. So ito po yung ating given, ito po yung ating figure, at gagawa po tayo ng two-column probing. Yung first column ay statements, and second column ay reason. So paano nga po ba gumawa ng statements and its reason? So yan po yung papaliwanag ko sa inyo step by step. Okay, so let's start. I-analyze po natin yung ating given. So ito po yung given natin. Line segment RO and line segment UT are chords of circle K. So nasaan po yung line segment RO and UT? Ito po yung RO, ito po yung UT. Okay? And these are chords of the given circle. Another one is line segment TR is congruent to line segment OU. So ito po yung line segment TR, ito po ay line segment OU. Okay, lagyan po natin ng markings as a congruent segments or chord. Okay. And then, we are going to prove that triangle TPR, nasaan po yung triangle TPR? Ito po, triangle TPR. Okay, this triangle is congruent to triangle OPU. Ito po yung OPU. Okay, this triangle. So, lagyan ko po ng markings para differentiate po natin yung two triangles. So, ito po yung dalawang triangles that we are going to prove they are congruent. Okay. So, ang given lang po ay ito pong TR is congruent to OU. Ito po, TR is congruent to OU. Mapoprove natin that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, ito po yung ating statements. Ito po yung reason. So, natural, ang uunahin po natin ay yung given. So, yung given po dito ay RO and UTR chords. Ito po yun. Okay? And then, TR is congruent to OU. Number 2 statement natin, TR is congruent to OU. Ito po ay given. Okay, so, paano po natin ipoprove yung two triangles that are congruent? So, marami pong ways to prove two triangles are congruent. Ito po yung triangle congruent theorems or postulate. So, una po ay SSS, side, side, side. Pangalawa, ASA, angle, side, angle. SAS, side, angle, side. And AAS, angle, angle, side. So, mula dun sa given na TR is congruent to OU, mayroon na po tayong congruent sides ng two triangles. So, ano pa po yung dapat nating ma-prove? Okay, so tingnan natin itong TU and OU. Ito pong mabubuo natin dito ay magkakagawa po tayo dito ng inscribed angle. Ano po? At gawin din po dito, TRO, inscribed angle also. And notice that TRO, ito po yung kanyang intercepted arc. So, lagyan ko po ng intercepted arc. Yan po. Okay? So, ito pong intercepted arc TO ay intercepted po ng angle TRO at the same time, intercepted po ng angle TUR. So, pareho pong TO ang intercepted arc nila. Itong dalawang angle na ito. So, therefore, kapag pareho po yung intercepted arc ng dalawang inscribed angle, they are congruent. Okay, so lagyan ko po ng markings. Yan. So therefore, this angle R at angle U, they are congruent since they intercept the same arc. Another congruent, ito rin pong RTU, this angle, at ito pong ROU, this angle, also intercepted the same arc. So, lagyan ko po ng mark, RU. So, ito pong RU ay intercepted ng RTU at the same time intercepted po ng OUR. Okay, these two angles. So, lagyan ko po ng markings. Okay. So, ito po yung apat na inscribed angles. So, yan po yung ilalagay natin dito sa ating statement. Okay? So, statement number 3, angle TRO, angle OUT, angle RTO, angle OUR, UOR are inscribed angles. Ito po. Ito pong apat na ito. Ilalagay natin as statement. Ang reason po niyan, ano po ang reason for those TRO? Okay, definition of inscribed angle. So, lahat po ito ay inscribed angles. Okay. So, mula po dyan sa statement number 3, makakagawa po tayo ng congruency. Ito po yung statement number 4. Okay, so angle TRO is congruent to angle OUT. Ito nga po, angle TRO, okay, this one, at angle OUT, okay, this angle. So itong angles na ito are congruent. At ito din pong dalawang angles na ito are congruent also. So ano po yung reason natin? Bakit po sila congruent? Ang reason po natin ay, yung sabi ko po kanina, inscribed angle, intercept the same arc are congruent. Okay. So pareho po silang inscribed angle at nag-intercept po ng the same arc, then they are congruent. Okay. So meron na po tayong angle, side angle. Angle, side angle. So ibig sabihin, mula po diyan ay makakagawa na po tayo, mapo-prove na po natin yung two triangles. So paano po? Ito po yung statement number 5 natin. Triangle TPR is congruent to OUP. Ito nga pong dalawang triangles na ito, red and blue. Ano po yung reason natin? Ang reason po natin diyan ay ASA congruence postulate. So bakit po ASA? Ito po angle, side, angle. Kasi yun po yung na-prove natin that they are congruent. Salamat sa panood kaibigan. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na ito, please click like and subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel. So kung meron ka pong katanungan o suggestion sa video na ito, comment lang po sa comment box para ma-adapt ko po sa mga susunod kong video lesson.